Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arga Diaz Prawira Yudha from 2G class. I want to show you about my project that is about JTI information system. It contains information that related to JTI department. So let's get started. We start from administrator website first. So we should log in as an admin. This is the first page that the admin will meet. So the first page is lecturer list. It can add, update, and delete the data, and also we can add data using CSV file and export the data to CSV files format. And try to add new data. The NIV is random, and IDN also random. The code is my code is ADP Arga Diaz. Status, for example, and then the field of study, choose JTI and this phone number. Then press submit and will be pop up new lecturer has been created. That means the data has been stored to the database. So if we search in the search bar, it will appear my name. And we try to update the data. For example, we update the name to Arga Diaz Prawira. Then press modify and the pop-up will appear like this. Then we try to search my name, and then my name is changed to Arga Diaz Prawira Yudha. And then we try to delete it. Okay, the delete works. So we try to search it again and make sure the data is gone. Okay, and we should add new data. I need this data to test the another table here. Status. Okay, the data. I got the data. Then we go to the next table, GPA list. It contains the lecturer code, the name, and the class and the year. So we try to add new data. ADP. The year is 2021, and the class is TI2G. And the semester out. Okay, press submit, and new DP has been created. Then try to find the data. Okay, it has been created. Then try to update the data. It can update the lecture code, year and class, and also the semester. So for example, we change the class to 2H. Then try to find it again. And then it changed to TI to H. Then try to delete the data. Okay, the delete is works. So make sure the data is gone. Okay, it's already gone. Okay, we go to the next table is researcher list. Researcher list contains lecturer code, lecturer name, the research group, and also the priority. Then we try to add new data. The lecturer code is ADP, and then the research group name is, for example, Cerdas with priority primary, and press submit. And the new researcher has been created. So we try to search it, then make sure the data is been stored. Okay. Then try to update new data. Update the research group name to vision, for example. Press submit. Then search the data again. Okay, it changed to vision. Then try to delete it. Then data is deleted. And make sure data is gone. Okay, it's already gone. Then we go to the next table is class schedule. In this class schedule, it contains lecturer name, subject, class, hour, semester, and the year. And then try to add new data. Lecturer code is ADP. For example, subject name is data warehouse. For TI4G, hours is, for example, 3 hours. And the semester is 7. And the schedule year 2021. Press submit. And the schedule is created. Then find the data and make sure it is available. Okay, it's already available. Data warehouse, TI4G. Try to update the data. Then change the subject name to analysis design. Then press submit. Make sure the data has been changed. It's already changed, and then try to delete it. And then the data is deleted and make sure the data is gone. Okay, it's already gone. So we go to the next table. This table class. So it contains the major, level, and name. We can add new data. For example, TI, interclass level, for example, 4. Then class letter is K. Then press submit. Then we search the data again, and the data is already stored here. And then try to update the data. For example, we update the major to MI and the level to 3. Modify. Then search the data again. The major changed to MI and level changed to 3. Then try to delete the data. Okay, the data is deleted, and then make sure the data is gone, and it is already gone. Then we go to the next table is table subject. This is subject list that contains subject code, subject, credit hours, theory of practical, semester level, major, and year. Then we try to add new data. For example, the subject code is this is random AOP. Then subject name is computer science. Then credit hour 6. Then category is theory semester 6. The level is 3. The major is different informatics engineering. The year is 2021. Press submit. New subject has been created. Then we try to search the data and make sure the data is already stored. This is computer science, okay. Then try to update the data. Then try to change this subject to computer engineering and change the category also to practical, and then press modify, and then try to search it again and make sure the data has been changed. Okay, change to computer engineering, then try to update try to delete the data. Okay, it's been deleted, and then try to search it and make sure the data is gone. Okay, it's already gone. Then we go to the next table is research list. It contains research ID and research name. It will be used to the lecturer's research group. So we can add new data. Just enter the name, for example, computer science, and press submit. The new reschedule research group list created. Then try to look at this. The computer science is created, and then try to update the data. Try to update to computer engineering, and then press modify. Okay, it's been updated, and this is already changed, and then we try to delete it. Okay, it is deleted, and the data is gone. So we go to the next table is research group. This table contains the research group itself and the sub research name. So each research group has some sub research. We can add new data and then choose the research group in the research group list. For example, multimedia. Then sub research group name is 3D model. Then press submit. Sorry. Then we try to search it again. The model. It's already done. Then press update data. Then change it to model. And press modify, and then search again. Okay, it's already changed. We can delete the data. Then make sure the data is deleted. Okay, the data is gone. Then we go to the next table is home base. The home base contains lecturer code, name, the home base D3, home base accreditation, and the degree. We can add new data. The lecturer code is ADP. The home base is D4, 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 and D4. Then press submit. Then try to search the data and make sure the data has been stored. Okay, the data is here. Then try to update the data. Change to D3 and D3. Submit. Then try to search it again. Okay, the data has been changed to D3. We try to delete it. The data is deleted, and then try to search it and make sure the data is gone. Then we go to the next table is position. Position tables, there is a code, name, position, year, and semester. Then we try to add new data. For example, ADP. Position name is, for example, lecture year 2023 at odd semester. Press submit. Okay, new position created. Then try to search my code. Okay, the data is already stored there. Then try to update the data. We try to decrease the position to Bendahara. The year is still and press submit. Then check the data. Okay, the data already changed. Then try to delete the data and make sure the data is gone. Okay, the delete is successful. Then we go to the next table, RPS table. This is very interesting table. There is the administrator can upload and download files of RPS. Okay, in this table, it's contain subject code, subject name, major, file name, and created by something like who update the file lately. Okay, we try to add new data. For example, system distribusi. Then we try to push this file assignment. Then press submit. Okay, then search it and make sure the data is stored here. And then try to download it and make sure the data is right. Okay, it's not blank data. Then close the Word. Then try to edit the data. Then choose the new file. For example, I choose this assignment. It says assignment only. Okay, press submit and make sure the data is changed. Okay, it's already changed. Then try to delete the data. Okay, the delete success. And check the data is gone. Okay, and then also check in the RPS folder, and there is no assignment file. Okay, delete is successful. Then we go to the next table is SAP. This is the same about the table before, the RPS table. Then we try to add new data. For example, system 3 terdistribusi, and then choose the file, for example, assignment, press submit. Okay, add success, and then try to check it. Okay, assignment, try to download it, and make sure the file is right. Okay, this is the assignment. Okay, close the Word, then try to edit. Choose the new files. For example, the assignment with Yudha Diaz, Arga Diaz, Yudha. Then press submit. Then check whether the data is stored. Okay, data is here, and then try to delete. Okay, then check again if the data is already deleted. Okay, there is no system terdistribusi. Okay, the delete successful in this page. Then also check in the SAP folder. Okay, there is no assignment file here. Okay, the delete is successful. Then we go to the contract table. This is also the same with the table before. You can upload and download the files. Okay, we try to add new data. For example, kecerdasan buatan. Then choose the file, assignment file, submit. Okay, there is assignment there. Then try to download it and make sure the file is right. Okay, this is the right file of my assignment. Close the Word. Okay, and then try to edit. Choose the file. I choose another file. Testing. So this is a new file. Advanced Web Programming Project. Submit, and then it changed. Then try to download it and make sure the file is right. Okay, this is my Advanced Web Programming Project. Okay, close the file and try to delete. Okay, delete succeed, and then the data is gone. Okay, I think it's complete. Okay, then we go to the another site of the user. We'll go to the docent website. The username, for example, the username is for Bu Atika, and the password, also the code. Again, sorry, taken. The password is 1234. Okay, this is the UI for the docent website. So there is the first tab is personal information that contains the information about the lecturer itself, and also the additional information about that related to the Department of Jurusan Teknologi Informasi. For example, here position, and then the research group, and then the second tab is academic information that contains this data, RPS, SAP, and contract. In this system, that every docent can change the files and also update and also add new files. But if the files is already exist, the each of them can download by click this button. For example, this is the RPS of Bahasa Inggris 2. Close the file. I think that's all. Okay, I give you some example of uploading file. This saying sorry. Choose the file first, and then track Bahasa Inggris. Okay, for example, I upload this ADBO, then press upload. Okay, it says upload success, and then it will be like this. And there is a notification that says plus update by the code name. So we try to download it. So the file is ADBO, right? And this is the ADBO contract, for example. And the docent cannot delete the file because it has only can be accessed by the administrator. And the third tab is schedule. It contains information about the schedule of each docent. So there is a subject name, class, hours, semester, and the year. And the last tab is GPA list. It contains class, semester, and the year. And also I add some feature that the docent can change their password. I add this because username and the password with the code only, it is insecure. So I add this feature. Okay, I want to test this. So the old password is 1234. The new password is, for example, 128. The confirm is the same. Then press submit. Okay, password has been changed. Then try to log out. And then try to log in with the new password. 1234567 8. Login. Okay, the login, the change password works perfectly. Okay, I think it's enough from my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.